Good morning students. Let's start chapter 5 communication on the net. जनरली आज हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारा जो भी क्लासेस है ऑनलाइन कर रहे हैं, हम एग्ज़ाम भी क्या कर रहे हैं ऑनलाइन देते हैं, उसको ऑनलाइन सबमिट करते हैं। आपको मोस्टली रिज़ल्ट भी क्या मिलता है ऑनलाइन मिलता है। ठीक है, आज के डेट में हम क्या करते हैं कि जो भी अगर हम बात करना चाहते हैं वो क्या होता है इंटरनेट के थ्रू, जैसे व्हाट्सअप है, फेसबुक है, टेलीग्राम, अदर जो भी चैटिंग, ठीक है, ईमेल के थ्रू हम क्या करते हैं अपना मैसेज सेंड कर सकते हैं, हम लोग बात कर सकते हैं, या वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के थ्रू एक दूसरे से हम क्या रहते हैं कनेक्ट होते हैं। ओके, तो ये कम्युनिकेशन ऑन द नेट आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं। ओके, इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल लर्न अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन ऑन द इंटरनेट, चैट, आई एम लैंग्वेज, एक्रोनियम्स, इमोटिकॉन्स, फाइंडिंग पीपल ऑन द नेट, न्यूज़ ग्रुप्स। नाउ ब्लॉग, e-greetings, online education, online exam, online result, video conferencing, and net etiquette. Now first introduction. Common uses of the internet include sending emails, chatting on voice and video conferencing, and transferring files and documents. It has become an essential communication tool in today's world. While the internet is widely used by many to meet different requirements, when we summarize the uses of the internet, there are some common uses of the internet. Okay, browsing the internet is the most common use, whether one browses for research purpose, information software, cracks, news, or to learn new things. ठीक है, आप जनरली अपनी और यूज़ करते हैं नेट ब्राउजिंग जो करते हैं आप किस लिए करते हैं। आपको अगर सपोज़ कोई चैप्टर का आपको क्वेश्चन नहीं आंसर नहीं मिल रहा तो आप क्या करते हैं उसको ऑनलाइन देखते हैं, या फिर मीनिंग आपको सर्च करना है। ठीक है, आप कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन आप चाहते हैं। ओके, तो इसके लिए क्या करते हैं आप नेट ऑन करके आप उस पर क्या करते हैं देखते हैं। ओके, ब्राउजिंग इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन यूज़ ऑफ द इंटरनेट, इवन वन कैन नॉट गो फॉर इन द internet without the basic activity done properly. In fact, it has become a very common pastime for individuals. Browsing requires a skill of its own to be able to get the data on the topic one requires. Communication is another area where the internet is used frequently for various reasons, as it is low cost, effortless and fast. ठीक है, आज हम जनरली जो बैठ के एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं हम इस प्लेस पे कोई डिफरेंट प्लेस से, तो क्या होता है ये इजी होता है हमारे लिए, एफर्टलेस है, फास्ट है, ठीक है, लो कॉस्ट पे। Okay, now communication takes place in the forms of emails, chats, and video conferences. Due to having many open communication methods, it has become very easy to meet new friends and pen pals to share common interests and exchange information. Another growing use of the internet is to build and take part in discussion forums as per interest and express one's ideas as and when and however he she wants. Almost every site provides a blog page to make the consumers and internet users provide their honest views easily, and the most recent but now a very common and frequent use of the internet is buying and selling over the internet. ठीक है, आप ऑनलाइन परचेज़ करते हैं आज के डेट में, जैसे आप कुछ भी मंगवा सकते हैं ऑनलाइन। ठीक है, और बहुत सारी वेबसाइट्स अवेलेबल है जिसके थ्रू आप परचेज़ करते हैं। Now, e-marketing. E-marketing is very popular for many reasons. One good reason is that it takes only a fraction of the cost of advertising through other mediums. Okay, like newspaper and television. Also, it has been found that it can reach a far greater crowd based on interest within the tens of millions internet and email users, thus bringing in more demand, resulting in more positive results than any other medium of marketing. Because of its low production cost and flexibility, one can change his her ads quickly and as frequently as they require. Now, internet marketing also provides for two-way communication, which is something that didn't exist in other traditional advertising mediums. So the consumers can talk with advertisers while seeing the advertisement and get more details and even purchase the item or get the service online itself. ठीक है, अगर हम परचेज करते हैं तो एक दूसरे से क्या करते हैं कम्युनिकेशन भी करते हैं। Now, key terms. Internet is a good medium to chat with people all over the world. Communication on the internet. Communication is the most popular use of the internet, with email topping the list of all the technologies used. Some of the type of communication technologies used also include email, discussion groups, Usenet, news chat groups, and IRC. These are unique to networked computer environments and have come into wide popularity because of the internet. Other technologies including video and audio conferencing and internet telephony are also available on the internet. They require more multimedia capabilities of computer systems and are more taxing of internet network resources than the others. They also are adaptations of other technologies to the internet. Most of the technologies that are unique to the internet require communication to be done in text letters with some symbols and punctuation. Okay. Now, communicating effectively involves taking the time, except in informal communications, to use correct grammar, spelling, and punctuation, and writing an appropriate message. When replying to a message, include the pertinent parts of the message and use an appropriate and interesting subject header in any case. When you are communicating on the internet, take special care not to give out personal information to strangers and to treat other with the respect. Okay, be aware of the risk involved in communicating with people you cannot see and may never meet. ठीक है, ये रिस्की होता है कि आप अगर किसी भी अननोन पर्सन से आप बात करते हैं तो आप एक अपना इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो किसी से शेयर ना करें. टेक टाइम टू कंसिडर वॉट यू राइट टू अदर्स एंड बी केयरफुल टू अवॉइड मर except with the best of friends. You cannot assume that your messages are private, so be careful about what you write. ठीक है, आपका जो मैसेजेस जा रहा है वो प्राइवेट या सिक्योर है. ठीक है, तो ये आप क्या करेंगे, सिक्योरिटी आपकी वेबसाइट जो भी आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, उस पर डिपेंड करता है. एंड बी केयरफुल आप जो भी लिख रहे हैं उस पर. नाउ सेवरल इशूज रिलेटेड टू एथिकल एंड लीगल कंसिडरेशंस अराइज फ्रॉम यूजिंग द इंटरनेट फॉर कम्युनिकेशन. आज के डेट में आप देख रहे हैं, अभी व्हाट्सएप पे चल रहा था. ठीक है, और इस पर भी था कि आपकी डेटा जो भी है वो क्या हो रही है, लिंक हो रही है. ठीक है, लीक हो रही है बाहर, आपका जो भी डेटा क्या हो रहा है, बेचा जा रहा है, सेल हो रहा है. ओके, नाउ द मैनर इन विच कम्युनिकेशन इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड ऑन द इंटरनेट मेक्स इज to monitoring. You can't assume that communications are private. Some believe that sending email is like sending a message on a postcard. ठीक है, some laws have been enacted to help protect privacy during electronic communications. These, however, have been difficult to enforce and are rarely applied. One way to protect privacy is encrypt or code a message. A common way of encrypting messages through the use of public and private keys. Although software for encryption is readily available, current policies and laws prohibit its export. Okay, encryption means आप उसमें क्या कर सकते हो, उसको मतलब एक कोडिंग होता है, आप उसको अपने अकॉर्डिंग क्या कर सकते हैं, चेंज कर सकते हैं. मीन्स वो आप सामने वाले को ही समझ में आए, बाकी किसी को नहीं. ओके, नाउ अनदर एरिया ऑफ कंसर्न इज डीलिंग विथ abuse or offensive communications. Laws that apply to label harassment and abuse have been applied to cases where the offending behavior has occurred on the internet. आप देखते हैं आज के डेट में कि डिफरेंट टाइप के केसेस होते हैं कि ऑनलाइन, अभी जैसे बैंक से अगर आप कुछ परचेज़ करें तो आपके अकाउंट से पूरे पैसा क्या हो जा रहा है, ले लिया जाता है. ओके, now chat. The internet is a good way to chat with people who have an internet connection as well as an email address all over the world. Chat is a text based communication that is live or in real time. When talking to someone in chat, any typed text is received by other participants immediately. This is different from other text-based communications such as email, where it could be a couple of hours, days, or weeks to receive a response. Chat programs are used by users to communicate with other remote users in real time, as in a phone call. A user can log on to specific websites and communicate with other यूज़र्स हु हैव ऑल्सो लॉग्ड इन. ठीक है, आप जैसे लॉग इन कर रहे हैं वैसे सेम सामने वाला भी करेगा, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, उससे चैटिंग कर सकते हैं. सम ऑफ द पॉपुलर चैट सॉफ्टवेयर्स आर याहू मैसेंजर, जी टॉक, विंडोज़ लाइव मैसेंजर, रेडिट बॉल. ओके, और टू यूज़ दिस सॉफ्टवेयर you can install them in your computer system with the help of internet connection. ठीक है, अगर आप यूज़ करना चाहते हैं तो आपको पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा. देन यू मस्ट ऑल्सो हैव अ यूज़र अकाउंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स सी हाउ टू चैट यूजिंग गूगल टॉक. ठीक है, गूगल टॉक से कैसे चैट करते हैं, ऐसे कैसे सबसे पहले इंस्टॉल. और टू चैट यूजिंग जी टॉक फॉलो द गिवन स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट डबल क्लिक द जी टॉक आइकॉन ऑन द डेस्कटॉप. ठीक है, अगर इंस्टॉल है तो सबसे पहले उसको क्या करेंगे, डबल क्लिक करेंगे. नाउ एंटर योर यूज़र नेम एंड पासवर्ड इन द रिस्पेक्टिव बॉक्स प्रोवाइडेड. Click the sign in button. The Gtalk windows opens. You can see other users who are logged on. Click on the user to open the chat window. Type your message in the blank box at the bottom and press enter key. The most common types of chat are IRC, Internet Relay Chat. Okay, Internet Relay Chat is a protocol for live interactive text messaging, means chat or synchronous conferencing. It is mainly designed for group communication in discussion forums called channels, but also allows one-to-one communication via private message as well as chat and data transfer including file sharing. Okay, next web page, Java chat. This is the simplest form of chatting and requires just a Java based net browser. Next, instant messenger chats. Instant messaging is a set of communication technologies used for text-based communication between two or more participants over the internet or other types of network. IM chat happens in real time. Of importance is that online chat and instant messaging differ from other technologies such as email due to perceived quasi-synchrony of the communications by the users. Some systems permit messages to be sent to users not then logged on, thus removing some differences between IM and email. IM allows effective and efficient communication, allowing immediate receipt of acknowledgement or reply. However, IM is basically not necessarily supported by transaction control. In many cases, instant messaging includes added features which can make it even more popular. For example, users may see each other via webcams or talk directly for free over the internet using a microphone and headphones or loudspeakers. Many client programs allow file transfers, although they are usually limited in the permissible file size. It is usually possible to save a text conversation for later reference. Instant messages are often logged in a local message history, making it similar to the persistent nature of emails. Key terms: chatting can be fun as well as waste of time. It depends upon how you यूज़ इट. ओके, ये फ़न भी है बट इट्स वेस्टिंग अ टाइम. ठीक है, ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप इसका यूज़ कैसे करते हैं. नाउ आई एम लैंग्वेज. यूजर्स समटाइम्स मेक यूज़ ऑफ इंटरनेट स्लैंग और टेक्स्ट स्पीक टू एब्रीविएट कॉमन वर्ड्स और एक्सप्रेशंस टू quicken conversations or reduce strokes. The language has become widespread with well-known expressions such as LOL translated over to face-to-face languages. Emoticons are often expressed in shorthand such as the abbreviation LOL, BRB and TTYL. आप जनरली लिखते हैं ना, और हड़बड़ी में क्या शॉर्ट फॉर्म में आप लिखते हैं, यूज़ करते हैं जैसे आप चैटिंग करते हैं तो. और रिस्पेक्टिवली क्या होता है LOL का, लाफिंग आउट लाउड, ठीक है, BRB, be right back, TTYL, talk to you later. Okay. Some, however, attempt to be more accurate with emotional expression over I am. There are certain standards that are being introduced in mainstream conversations, including hash that indicates the use of sarcasm in a statement and asterisk which indicates a spelling mistake and slash or grammatical error in the prior message followed by a correction. Okay, ये आप जनरली आप यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ एक्रोनियम्स. An acronym is an abbreviation formed from the initial components in the phrase or a word. These components may be individual letters or parts of words. There is no universal agreement on the precise definition of various names for such abbreviations nor on written uses. In English and most other languages, such abbreviations historically had limited use, but they became much more common in 20th century. Acronyms are a type of word formation process and they are viewed as a subtype of blending. These are short forms of words that are commonly used when we send regular email, SMS, MMS, and use other ways of communication. Some of the commonly used acronyms are ABT. ABT short form है उसका full form about, DIY do it yourself, ASAP as soon as possible, DND do not disturb, PS postscript, DYK did you know, LOL laughing out loud, IMO in my opinion. Emoticons, symbol that are typed in an email or text message to show how you feel. For example, the emoticons जो यहाँ पे आपको गिवन है, ठीक है, इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है, ये जो दिख रहा है मीन्स हैप्पी और फ्रेंडली. ओके. An emotions is a symbol or a combination of symbols that we can use to express an emotion in a message. In web forums, instant messengers, etc., text emoticons are often automatically replaced with the small corresponding images. For example, the two most common emoticons, smiley face and frosty face, can be made with the help of colon, hyphen and parenthesis. ठीक है, आप ये बना सकते हैं. जनरली आप अगर वर्ड पे टाइप करते हैं, ठीक है, अगर ये यूज़ करेंगे तो आपका ये इमोटिकॉन्स आपका बन जाएगा. ओके. We can even download emoticons from various websites and use them in our messages. ये तो आप अच्छे से जानते हैं. आप जैसे व्हाट्सअप यूज़ करते हैं तो आपको डिफरेंट टाइप के इमोटिकॉन्स मिलते हैं. ओके. नाउ फाइंडिंग पीपल ऑन द नेट. वी कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड पीपल ऑन द इंटरनेट यूजिंग द www. ठीक है, और इंटरनेट पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, पीपल फाइंड कर सकते हैं. वी कैन फाइंड अ पर्सनस ईमेल एड्रेस. If we know his her name using search engines, some popular software for this is available at www.excite.com, www.whoever.com and www.worldpages.com. ठीक है, आप इसके थ्रू क्या कर सकते हैं, पीपल फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके. नाउ न्यूज़ ग्रुप्स. News groups is a worldwide platform for exchanging ideas and information by common-minded people. People sharing similar ideas, interests can put forward their views for other like-minded people by posting them in the news group of their choice and also viewing and other people's posted articles. Each article posted on the news group is automatically sent to all the subscribers. Okay. We can find news groups or practically any subject and become a part of a news group by subscribing to it like we do a club. A news group is like a storehouse where messages from many users are placed in different locations within a particular group. This is like a discussion group where people from different corners of the world post information on the topic which is of interest to people who are designated users. They are like public bulletin boards where information is posted, bringing people who are interested in specific subjects together from around the world. Okay, these are the news groups. Now, creating a blog. A blog is an easy to create website that allows users to share their thoughts with the world. The word blog comes from weblog. ठीक है, कहाँ से है? वेबलॉग. बिकॉज अ ब्लॉग कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ साइंड एंड डेटेड लॉग ऑफ इंडिविजुअल पोस्टिंग. द टॉपिक ऑफ द ब्लॉग कैन बी एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द पर्सनल टू द प्रोफेशनल. A blog is what you make of it. Open the site www.blogger.com. The blogger site will open. Then to create a blog with the blogger site, you must have your account. ठीक है, मीन्स ईमेल आपका जो होगा इन जीमेल एल्स और you will have to create a new Gmail account. Sign in using as Gmail username and password. Then specify your name in the display name text box. This name will appear as your signature in the articles you will post on this blog. Click on continue button. Specify the URL. ठीक है, URL का full form यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर एड्रेस of your blog and say Riddhima Bhatia. Your blog address will be your identifier on the web and it will be used to read and link to your blog. Click continuous, then different templates for your blog will be displayed. Select the template of your choice. The template choice can be changed later on. Click on continue button. The following screen will be displayed. Okay, this screen will be displayed. Now your blog has been created. To add content to your blog, click on start blogging. अगर आप ऐड करते हैं तो क्या करना है आपको? स्टार्ट ब्लॉगिंग पे क्लिक करना है. द पोस्टिंग पेज ऑफ योर विल बी डिस्प्लेड एज शोन इन द फिगर. अंडर द पोस्टिंग टैब यू कैन एंटर द टाइटल फॉर ईच ऑफ द योर ब्लॉग post, the content, text, images, videos and web links for your posting. To format the text, use the toolbar shown just above the content window. This is almost similar to MS Word toolbar. Okay, now click publish post after you have entered the content and formatted it properly. You will see the alongside window. Now click on view blog button to view your own blog. Similarly, you can add more content to your blog by clicking on the create a new post button. Now to change the appearance of your blog, click on design tab. You can change the templates of your blog, add, modify, delete the page elements of your blog. After making the necessary changes, click on the sign out button at the top right. To view your blog, type your URL. जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि riddhimabhatia.blogspot.com and press the enter key. Your blog will be displayed. Now to add or modify the content in your blog or to make changes in the blog structure, click on the sign in button at the top right of your blog window or open the site www.blogger.com. Okay, and sign in with your username and valid password. The dashboard page will be displayed. The dashboard is an area which contains all the options for managing a blog. Click on new post to add new entries in your blog or click on edit post to make changes in your existing posts. Always remember to sign out while leaving your blog site. ठीक है, अगर जब भी आप किसी भी सिस्टम यूज़ करते हैं तो आपको आपका वर्क कंप्लीट हो जाने के बाद उसको लॉग आउट ज़रूर कीजिएगा. ओके, नाउ ई ग्रीटिंग्स. One can send greetings for birthday, anniversaries, festivals and other occasions through e-greetings. There are many websites that provide e-greetings free of cost. They can be used by people to send greetings are like audio, video cards, which may even have some animations. You send greeting cards to your relatives, friends. You can send greeting cards through internet in the same manner as you send email to them. ठीक है, जैसा आप मेल करते हैं वैसा ई ग्रीटिंग आप सेंड कर सकते हैं. There are several sites which provide this facility. E-greeting cards are both free and paid. Okay, that is, you can send greeting cards for free as well as by paying money. Some of popular e-greeting card websites are www.123greetings.com, www.bluemountain.com, and www.ecards.com, and www.hallmark.com. ठीक है, ये क्या है, ई ग्रीटिंग वेबसाइट्स है. नाउ ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन. Many educational institutes from all over the world nowadays provide online education facility. Internet makes it possible to learn in an environment where the teachers and the students are not needed at the same place or in a classroom. Distance education becomes easier and affordable with the use of internet. Okay, आप जनरली आप यूज़ कर रहे होंगे अभी भी. नाउ ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम. Some institutes conduct online tests for their courses. You can appear in an examination from your home, sitting in front of your computer with simply an internet connection. Now, online result. Just as you can appear for an online test, you can also see your results online without going anywhere using internet facility. For example, to check CBSE exam result, follow the given. Open the website www.cbsc.nic.in, then click the result option, type your roll number and click submit. The window will be open. Okay, now video conferencing. Video conferencing is a method of communication through which people at different corners of the world can get together and have a meeting in which they are not physically present in one place but are connected through telecommunications of audio and video. We can also use video conferencing for sharing documents, displaying information on the computer, sharing a whiteboard for information. Okay, through the concept of video conferencing is very old. It is used to be very expensive means of communication till the internet become popular. Using the internet for video conferencing is an inexpensive way of communication. There are many websites that allow free video conferencing with people all around the globe. Some of the commonly used ones are not net meeting. Okay, Amazon Messenger, Skype, Yahoo Messenger, etc. It is very important to have a web camera and a microphone installed with the computer to enjoy video conferencing. जनरली आप अभी लाइव क्लास में यूज़ करते हैं. आप क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं अभी? गूगल मीट है, आगे हम पहले जूम यूज़ करते थे. ओके, ये सब हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नाउ की टर्म्स. सिंपल एनालॉग वीडियो फोन communication could be established as early as the invention of the television. Okay, such an antecedent usually consisted of two closed circuit television connected via coax cable or radio, and an example of that was the German Reich Post Office video telephone networking serving Berlin and several German cities via coaxial cables between 1936 and 1940. Now, netiquette. लाइफ में जैसा रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं किसी से बात करने की, एक लिमिटेशन, ठीक है, सेम एज इट इज़ नेट के लिए भी है. ईच कल्चर ऑपरेट्स अंडर अ सिस्टम ऑफ रूल्स दैट मे नॉट बी explicitly stated but are expected and enforced all the same. When you enter any new culture, you are liable to commit a new social blunders unless you know the rules. You might offend people without meaning to, or you might misunderstand what others say and take offense when it's not intended. The rules in cyberspace are intrinsically different than those of everyday life because cyberspace presents such as novel environment. Gone are gestures, facial expressions, voice tone, laughter, body language, and other features of human non-verbal communication that help inform our understanding of others. To make matters worse, the logistics of communicating in cyberspace make it easy to forget that you are interacting with other real people, not just ASCII character on a screen, but live human beings. So, as a result of missing out an important non-verbal clues, forgetting that people online are still real and not working and not knowing the conventions, well-meaning cybercost can make all kinds of mistakes and miscommunications. The simple rules of etiquette and the explanations that follow them are offered here as a set of general guidelines for cyberspace behavior. Okay, they probably won't cover all situations, but they should give you some basic principles to use in communicating online. While working on the internet, it is very important that we follow a certain code of conduct. This is referred to as a netiquette. Okay, a netiquette can be defined as a set of conventional rules to be followed for correct behavior on the internet. These rules are considered appropriate behavior rules for a majority of the internet users. Some simple rules of netiquette. First, general rules. Make your messages easier to read by making your paragraphs short and to the point. Okay. टाइपिंग इन ऑल कैप्स इज़ कंसिडर्ड शॉर्टिंग ऑन द इंटरनेट. अगर आप कैपिटल लेटर में टाइप करते हैं मैसेज किसी को पूरे, तो क्या होता है, शॉर्टिंग कहलाता है. ओके, मैसेजेस इन ऑल लोअर केस लेटर्स कैन बी डिफिकल्ट टू रीड, इंस्टेड यूज नॉर्मल कैपिटलाइजेशन. ओके, asterisks surrounding as a word can be used to make a stronger point. Okay, use the underscore symbol before and after the title of the book. Be careful when using sarcasm and humor. Okay, without face-to-face communications, your joke may be viewed as criticism. When being humorous, use emoticons to express humor. Never give your user ID or password to another person. System administrators that need to access your account for maintenance or to correct problem will have full privileges to your account. Okay, now group communication. Respect the fact that the class list is a closed discussion. Do not forward mail from your classmates to others without their permission. Now, in an online forum or news group, debate is welcome, but the tactful is responding to others. Remember that there is a person or whole class at the receiving end of your post. ठीक है, आपको एक सेव समझ के उस पर क्या करना है, आपके और कमेंट जो भी देते हैं आप वो देना है. Now keep your questions and comments relevant to the focus of the discussion group. Information intended for an individual or a small group of individuals should be emailed to those people directly. Now, if you are responding to a message from someone else, briefly summarize her or his post. When posting a question to the discussion group, request that responses be directed to you personally. Okay, post a summary or answer to your question to the group. If you quote a previous post by using the reply function, for example, quote only enough to make your own point, and include your signature at the bottom of email messages when communicating with people who may not know you personally or broadcasting to a dynamic group of subscribers. Now resist the temptation to flame others on the list. Remember that these discussions are public and meant for constructive exchange. Treat others on the list as you would want them to treat you. Use your own personal email account. Don't subscribe using a shared office account or friends account. Okay. Now individual communication. If you want to get to touch with only one person in the class, send a message to that individual's email address, not to entire discussion list. Okay. Next, when replying to a message posted to a discussion group, check the address to be certain it's going to the intended location. It can be very embarrassing embarrassing if they reply incorrectly and post a personal message to the entire discussion group that was intended for an individual. Now, some etiquette to follow while sending an email. In case one does not have her own internet account with an internet service provider, it is mandatory to determine ownership of all emails. कि आपको खुद का होना चाहिए एक email ID. An email should be thought of as postcard, which is an open letter. One should not assume that everything written on an email would be discreet. You should respect the copyright of the original creator of any material that we use from the internet. If you are forwarding or reposting a message, make sure that the original message is intact and has not been modified. Before forwarding any email, take the necessary permissions from the original sender. Okay, or try not to send chain letters. They may be carrying undesirable programs such as a virus. One should be very careful while sending and receiving emails. Okay, now always make sure who the recipient of the mail would be. Sometimes you may send it to a wrong address. Okay, अगर email ID wrong है तो वो दूसरी जगह ही जाएगा. Now sometimes when we send email to the people, we should give them enough time to read and reply before assuming that they have not intentionally replied. Now, avoid using uppercase to write an email. Using uppercase signifies that you are shouting and being rude to the other person. Use emoticons to express the tone of your voice and emotions. Always try to be brief while writing emails. Try never to send an email without a subject in the message. Try and include a signature at the end of the message to make it more authentic and personal. Okay, now key terms while working on the internet, it is very important that we follow a certain code of conduct. The code is referred to as a netiquette. Okay, thank you.